Hey guys, welcome back to the third video in making a server for our React Native app. So in the previous video we got everything installed and up and running. In this video we're going to go ahead and get some coding and get the server running. So first line, so one thing you'll notice is there are two ways to make imports. You can either do an import or you can do a require. So if you're doing like React syntax, then you do imports, but if you're doing Node.js coding, you want to do require. So I'll show you const express equals require express. So that's our express package that we downloaded or installed earlier, which is here. So we're going to import all of that, and then we're going to go ahead and define our port. So just put that there and then say const app equals express, like that. And then let's see, I think we can just do app dot. So then what we'll do is we'll do app.use and then express.json and just put extended false here. These are some options for Express itself. And then let's do app.listen and we put our port, so that's the number it will listen at. And then we put an arrow function and then type console.log, and here we'll say we'll call it to do server listening at http://localhost : and then we'll put that and then say port, like that. So once we run this, it will basically show, it will just console log this when we're running. So if we did npm node index.js, okay, let's see what's there. Unhandled error event. Oh, it's already in use, my bad. Let me close the previous one and let's run that again. Node index.js. There we go. So it's up and running, but if we were to click that address, nothing's going to show because we don't actually have anything. So what we'll do is let's create a new directory and we'll call it routes, and inside of here we'll put, let's create a test route, and inside of the test route let's go ahead and import, or rather require, express, and then const router is equal to express.router, and then we can just do router.get, like that, and then let's put some arrow function. So here we're going to do rec. Now rec is short for request and res is short for response, and an arrow function like that. So request will be the information coming in, right? And response will be how we're going to send it back. So request will have our body, anything that the client has sent to us, to the server, and once we've manipulated and done whatever we need to with the request, we'll use the response to send the message back. So here, for time being, let's go ahead and do response dot send. You just do send, and we can just say hello world, and then we'll need to go ahead and do module dot exports equals router. Rename that to response, like that. Sweet. Save that, and then let's go ahead and we want to import it back into here. So what we'll do is do app.use, and then we'll just say slash like that, and for our slash we'll do require dot slash route slash test, and then we'll save this. Now when we refresh, it's still going to throw this error, and that is because we are actually just using node index.js. So that's where our installation of nodemon comes in. So we'll do Control C and we'll type nodemon index.js rather than node, and this will hot reload all our stuff. So if I refresh this now, hello world, sweet. So to prove that it's hot refreshing, we'll just go ahead and go into routes, test, and change this to hot reload working. Control S, you can see it's just restarting it for us automatically. Refresh, and it's working. Sweet. So that was kind of just creating a quick test route. Now you could directly do it in here, but it's good if you're gonna have multiple routes to put them in a separate folder and then call them directly from there by importing them. So in the next video we'll start making our user routes and our to-dos, etc. So I'll catch you guys there. Thanks for watching.